ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Today is the happiest day for all of us. Happiest day for the entire year 2024, and also till we have such a get together. So I attended many get togethers of my school friends, college friends, colleagues, relatives. The happiness I got today is now uncomparable to any of those get togethers. And our Navodaya students, Sir Sundaramurthy sir, they are very special, they are unique and they are creative. ನಮ್ಮ ನವೋದಯ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ನು ಕಾಡಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೂ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಬದುಕ್ತಾರೆ, ಅರಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಟರೂ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಬದುಕ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬೈ ಮೀ, these are the words expressed by Vice Chancellor of Hyderabad Central University when I was there in the training center. When we called him as a chief guest, he expressed these words. Navodayans are very special. And now, organizing this function is also very, very unique and special. And the name they have given for this function is having a lot of meaning, deep meaning, Maitri. That Maitri is in between teacher and student, in between seniors and juniors, in between their own friends, and in between their parents and themselves also. And before entering into Navodaya, after completing a decade of service in JNV Bangalore Rural, I joined here in this Vidyalaya on 2nd July 1999. We felt very happy, myself and my husband, because this is my husband's native district, a small village called Bellave, around 15 kilometers from here. And my tenure here was like their tenure in Navodaya, 7 years, 1999 to 2006. And the postcard they have sent us, in that it is mentioned, dear teachers, you are the sculptors from residential students to responsible citizens. So what a statement really.
That guy wrote, man, Abhishek C.
Yeah, congrats. I am proud of you. And it is also mentioned that those days we were longing to go back homes. But now the memories of Navodaya are calling back to Navodaya. So that is Navodaya. And my sincere gratitude, heartfelt gratitude to all 18th batch students, especially through Tirumalesh. ನೀವು ಸದಾ ದೇವರು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಸುಖವಾಗಿ ಸಂತೋಷವಾಗಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿರಲಿ, ಸದಾ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಇದೇ ಥರ ಕರೀತಾ ಇರಲಿ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಆ ದೇವ್ರನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥಿಸ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಜನ್ಮ ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದರೆ ನಾನು ಏನಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಂದರೆ, ನಾನು ಒಂದು ನವೋದಯ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹುಟ್ಟಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. To enjoy like you, to win the hearts of Navodaya staff. And before concluding my speech, I would like to express the feelings of Shamala madam, catering assistant. She is very much interested to participate in this function, but same day she is also having the alumni meet in the Chittoor district where she is working. So she sent through me her love, affection and best wishes to you all. Thank you. And one more thing I forgot, whatever it is called as hoodie or you have selected your crazy names. What one name I read, mood manager.
This guy, because he has written as mood manager because he is a psychiatrist.
And some children have kept their initials, because usually these children they enter into Navodaya at a tender age of 10 to 12 years, and it is their growing stage. So now we can't recognize them. Some faces like Praveen, very cute face when he entered into 6th class. I still remembered his face, innocent face. And some people, they have really that backside names also. Sometimes they will come to us in front of us, Madam, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರೇನೋ ಹೇಳಿ. So these hoodies helped us to name them, some of the names. Thank you. And that is also creativity. Thank you.